Stop. Guys.
Let me see.
Don't press too hard because they're soft, girl. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel,
Latino Keto.
Today we're gonna make something really special. What are we making?
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls, guys. Yes, cinnamon rolls, our own special way, keto style. Come on over here and we're gonna talk about the ingredients. I know it looks like a lot, guys. It might look a little overwhelming, but it's easy. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of water between 120 degrees to 130 degrees. So I microwaved mine for 47 seconds. 1 teaspoon of honey, half a cup of oat fiber, half a cup of wheat gluten, 1 cup of almond flour, 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour, 4 tablespoons of granular sweetener. In this case, we use Swerve erythritol, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. We're doing, cameraman, if you can get this one where she's pointing. This is glazed donut flavor. And this is, we got it on Amazon. They have amazing flavors. It's called OOO flavors. So we have this one, which, yes, we're working on a glazed donut coming soon. And they have an horchata flavor and other flavors. Check them out. 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. 1 tablespoon of bread improver. 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. 2 eggs room temperature, and 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna start with the wet ingredients, and we are using our bread maker again. Again, if you don't have one, you can knead this by hand. So we're gonna add the 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it into the water. And then while she's mixing that, I'm going to add the eggs, room temperature, shells and all. I'm sure a shell went in there. That's okay. Nothing happened. A crunchy cinnamon roll is still good. A crunchy. 2 tablespoons of soft butter with a plopped kind of thing. Okay, then we're gonna add the cup of water and honey. And then we're gonna add all our wet ingredients. We are going to leave the yeast, the bread improver, and the xanthan gum. What did I say?
Wet.
Oh yes, dry ingredients. We're gonna leave the yeast, the bread improver, and the xanthan gum till the very, very end. Actually, we still have a couple more. This is optional, so if you don't have this, it'll still be great without it. We're gonna add about 10 drops. All right, and then we're gonna add everything. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and move this over to our bread maker over here. Pop it in. Make sure it's secure. Close the lid. And we're gonna just do the dough option. So we're gonna click that until it goes to number 8. It's number 8.
Done.
And then start. We're gonna let it rise and then we'll be back.
Okay, so now we're gonna start and make the top of the cinnamon roll.
The filling.
Yep.
The filling at the top, girl. We're gonna start with about half a cup of room temperature soft butter. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So we're gonna add, girl, focus here, girl. So we need 2 tablespoons, and that's half a tablespoon. We're gonna do 4 of those, okay, mommy?
Okay. And 4.
All right, and then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of brown swerve erythritol, or your brown sweetener of choice.
That just came out plopping.
Yeah, and then you're gonna go ahead and mix this in. All right, so Neilani's gonna finish this while we take the dough out of the machine.
You want the gloves?
Yeah.
And listen.
The weapon, the dough, and the thinner.
And the feeding.
Okay, so we have the dough.
We have the big boy weapon.
A big boy weapon.
And the filling.
Ready to go?
A little squishing dough.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna put some muscle into it.
Call it the weapon.
Stretch out the bow. Trust whatever you know. While this is going, guys, we are also really close to perfecting a pizza dough. Not fathead, actual pizza dough. Pizza dough. So stay tuned because that's also coming. I'm excited. All right.
Oh
We
my
have
gosh,
our
guys, if you look really closely, it even came off the little thing. Ah.
all right. And now we are going to put this. Actually, we don't really need gloves. Sorry, mommy. We're gonna spread the love.
Guys, this looks so delicious.
Smell that. Smell that.
Girl,
Guys, in a bun don't have nothing on us.
you don't tempt me to stick my finger in.
Okay, guys, that's looking pretty good. We're gonna get it to that last little edge there. You have some extra on the side of the spoon. Good job. All right, and then we're gonna roll it. Roll it.
The spoon is mine.
So I'm gonna roll whatever I have long ways. I don't know why. All right, and we're gonna start rolling it. Ooh, the oven's ready for it, and this hasn't even risen yet. Okay, guys, so you see that gooiness, delicious filling goes all the way to the end. So you're not gonna have a single bite without the filling.
Oh.
Okay.
Here.
All right, guys, so grab a really sharp knife. And this is very soft dough, so just very lightly, don't press down. Just lightly let this glide over.
Look at that,
And we're gonna
guys.
set them over onto the pan here.
Guys, look at that. That looks like a real cinnamon roll. Guys, we've tried to make these before and they came out so delicious.
So delicious. All right, guys, so the oven is on at 375. We're just gonna let these sit up here so that the heat will help them rise. And so we'll let them rise for about 30 minutes. We're gonna eat a little something, and then we'll be back and put these in the oven. See you in a minute.
They smell so delicious, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back, and these rose high.
Yeah, we took a peek. And let's see if they got the, ooh, those look good. Marcos, you get that one. All right. So we have the oven at 375 degrees. And we are going to go ahead and put these in there for about 25 minutes.
I want this one.
That one's mine, girl. And let them cook up. All right, so let's put the love in here.
That one was mine. I called it first.
You did call it. All right, we'll see you in 25 minutes. Guys, we almost forgot one of the other best parts of the cinnamon roll, and that is the
glaze.
Glaze or frosting. So come join us over here and we're going to show you what we're gonna do. So first we are going to add 4 ounces of soft butter. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. I forgot to take it out, so I did have to microwave it a little bit, but ideally just take it out for like 30 minutes to come to room temperature. 4 ounces
of cream cheese.
Same thing, room temperature. Again, we had to microwave it a little bit. And that's it for now, but we're gonna add later on, we're gonna add 1 cup of powdered sweetener. In this case, we used erythritol, the brand Swerve. 1 teaspoon of vanilla
Extract.
Vanilla extract, yes. And then 2 teaspoons of
lemon extract.
All right, so first we're gonna go ahead and combine this and make this fluffy, and Neilani's gonna take care of that. Okay, that looks really creamy. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in little by little the sugar, or the sweetener in this case, erythritol. And then so little by little, and then Neilani is going to start mixing it. Okay, so this is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge so it gets nice and hard again. And Neilani is probably gonna do what?
Lick this.
Lick this spatula. All right, so let's make sure that that's delicious.
It's so delicious.
That is really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge. And then we'll take it out when it's ready for the bread. See you when it's ready.
Mine. Those are mine.
Mine.
Okay, so right now we're gonna put this up a little bit higher.
Yeah, so we have about 5 minutes left on the timer. We're gonna put it up to 400 degrees so that the outside gets nice and crispy and the inside will be nice and soft. So we have 5 more minutes, guys. That's it. I can't wait.
And then we can put in the icing and then be ready for the taste.
We'll need them to cool down a little bit. But we're almost there. We can see the finish line. We'll be right back. Guys, I wish you could smell it in here. The cinnamon smells delicious.
They're huge.
Yes, they look almost ready. I'm gonna get my...
Louie's right here. I don't know, Sophie's probably sleeping.
Louie,
so.
you can't have any.
Sophie is sleeping. Louie is right here chilling. Like a little villain. He wants some cinnamon rolls, but he can't have any.
It's time, guys!
Louie.
Okay, get Louie out of the way, mommy.
Louie, back up.
Guys, look at that. The cinnamon looks nice and crispy.
OMG.
The Echo, stop. Guys.
Let me see.
Don't press too hard because they're soft, girl.
They're
All right.
soft.
So we need to let these cool for a few minutes. Otherwise, it's just going to melt our frosting.
I mean, we do like nice and drippy frosting, but not too drippy.
Okay, guys. So these are still not completely cool, but yes, we are impatient in this house. So we're going to grab this tiny little one.
Because it's past our bedtime.
Yes.
Past.
Built time. So we're going to take this.
It's so tiny.
Oh, you can see the cinnamon gooiness in there. And see it's smoking because it's still very hot. And then we're going to add some of our delicious frosting.
And you can already see that it's already starting to melt on there.
Yes. We would normally top this off with some pecans on top and a little bit of caramel. They do have it. Let me grab the caramel we use.
It's so soft.
It's called, I don't know what it's called, but it's this guy. All right, so let's go ahead and, girl, it's gonna be hot.
This is soft, guys.
Yes. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Normally the frosting won't melt as much. You're not gonna put the whole thing in your mouth, are you? All right. Can we do a cheers this time, or are you gonna eat it before I'm ready?
I'll do a cheers.
It's gonna be hot. Oh my gosh, my frosting is falling.
Cheers.
Okay, turn around. Don't drop it. Guys, I'm excited. That is delicious, guys. Cinnamon roll. Cinnabon has nothing on us. Keto, you can have cinnamon.
It's so delicious.
So delicious. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you make the recipe, don't forget to bring me one.
Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share it.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.